Hello, one of our jobs today is a GNET GON2 front and rear dash cam being fitted to this brand new Toyota Yaris Cross. This vehicle is a driving instructing vehicle, and so we're going to be protecting this, and it'll also be good for them being able to show the student any issues while driving, be able to replay the video. So there's the front facing camera that we've installed with GPS, 1440 resolution, Sony Starvis image sensor, HDR, and all important, it also records while the engine's switched off. There's the rear camera just there. Let's open up the boot so you can see the rear camera there. So we're giving this vehicle a very good protection with our front and rear camera. And as I said, it's got parking mode, so when the engine's switched off, it will record for a limited period of time until the battery gets low on the vehicle, and then the camera will switch off. So there's the rear camera from inside, and if we open up the app, we'll show you exactly what the camera can see from front and rear and how wide angled the images are. So let's open up the app. So this is the GNET app. There's the front facing camera. Let's make it widescreen. So very, very clear, very high resolution. As I say, it's 1440, 30 frames a second, high resolution and very wide angled. And then we will jump to the rear camera in a second. So if we press front cam, that will change to the rear camera. And again, very wide angled, very clear quality image. So if any vehicle was to come up and bump into the back of the vehicle, this camera's going to catch it because it's very wide angled. Let's jump back to normal. And that's it. Thanks for watching.